Now let's do a quick unboxing of the EufyCam 3C, the HomeBase, and also the solar panel. So I'll start by looking at the EufyCam 3C. Let's go on the HomeBase. Now as you can see, nice size cameras as well. So there's the palm of the hand, and as you can see, they fit nicely into the palm of my hand. And again, there's the 4K recording. We're going to show you how this gets installed shortly as well. And there's the camera as well as the sensors and the light in there. So it's the first camera. There you've got the HomeBase as well, just there. Now, okay, the HomeBase now comes with 16 gig of storage, and you can increase that to 1 terabyte as well by putting a card in there, which we did with our last review actually. And let's see what else comes in the box. So we have the cables, the brackets, the screws to set it up, as well as charging cables as well. So great little package, all very easy, and you're going to see how easy it is to set up as well in a moment. It doesn't take long at all. So there's the EufyCam 3C. Let's go and have a look. So again, this gives you continuous charging of the cameras, which I think is great. So it works in all weather conditions as well, which is fantastic. Now it comes with the cable. Now the cable's 4 meters long as well, which is great. So you can actually extend it to charge your EufyCams. And there's also the bracket comes with as well. USB charging, so it's easy to plug in. And there's the user manual as well. Now